Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about how to work on Spark.Adobe. So let's start with it. I'm going to write here Spark.Adobe, and here it is. Now you have to sign in from your Google account. So I'm signing in. You can use any option. You can continue sign up with your new account. You can sign up from your Facebook. So here is my ID. And here I am on the home page of Spark.Adobe. It has lots of options. You can make any poster for your Instagram post. Let it appear on the screen. This is the home page. It appears like this. What brings you here? To make assignments. I can use assignments over here for my friends and family, and from lots of other things as well. So here I can use it as an Instagram post, as a photo collage, as a presentation, slideshow, and for my brand as well. So I'm going to select presentation over here. So this is how it is going to appear in front of you. I'll take it as a presentation, and I can add any picture if I have taken from somewhere. I can take any free photographs which Spark.Adobe already have. So here is a photo. I'm going to select a new topic, rainbow. So there will be lots of rainbows over here. Let me select this one. So here is a beautiful rainbow. I'm going to add a topic over here, rainbow, a subtitle. You can add anything. Let me write beauty. So after adding a title and a subtitle, I'm going to scroll up, and a pop-up menu appears in which there are lots of more options. You can add photos, you can add text, you can add more buttons, videos, photo grid, whatever you like to. So I'm going to add a text over here about rainbow. That what rainbow? Rainbows appear after the rain. It has beautiful colors in it. You can write any other more information in it, any you want to. You can add here a photograph of more things over here after writing any text. So this is how you're going to do, and you can present your work as well. It will appear as a full screen, and you can present it to your teacher or anyone you want to. Here it is, the words. So another option is that if you are not presenting it, you can share as well, or you can publish it. You can invite someone to this link and check it, that how you have done. Here is another option about themes, that you can change the style of writing which you have given. So here I have selected this one. So the writing is changed, and this is how you can change all of the other headings as well. So this was a short tutorial of how you can use Spark.Adobe. Thank you.